Hello, I'm Nick Crawford, the magician, and today I'm doing an escape challenge. I'm going to escape from these handcuffs. These genuine handcuffs. These are real ones, don't have any secret escape buttons. They're not trick ones, they are not specially made for magicians. These are genuine handcuffs. There is one key for it, which my sister will hold, and I will escape from them all while being blindfolded. So hold the key. My blindfold's right here, and I'm going to put them on. Now, is my sister blindfold me?
Yes, but first, okay. So, let's just. Can you see anything?
No. Is it tied?
Yep.
And you have the key?
Uh-huh.
Show it to the camera just to make sure.
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, right there.
And as soon as you close the doors, start counting out loud, okay?
Okay, bye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44.
Alright.
He did it.
I escaped from these handcuffs. I did not. Thank you. There was no